Howdy folks, I'm on a job site in beautiful Sandy Springs, Georgia. We're going to be doing a walkthrough as this home looks to level up their comfort with Warmboard. We're going to look at what you need to do to prepare a site for Warmboard-R and some other tips and tricks along the way. Follow me inside. Okay, so when a project is looking to bring in Warmboard-R, there's a couple things that happen. Either subfloor's already been installed like you can see on this project, or it's a slab on grade build where you want to have Warmboard's quick responsiveness and don't necessarily want that high mass, slow to respond tube and slab concrete type of system. And you can install our Warmboard-R panels directly on top of either this pre-existing subfloor or right on top of concrete and secure it to the concrete. A few things that we walked through as we were looking at the project: is there adequate crawl space to bury tubing? What that means is you'll be able to run your loops within the crawl space itself, making your install a whole lot easier. Another question we asked was, where is your mechanical room? And on this project, the mechanical room seen through the wall right here is going to be insulated and not heated. So it will have its own door and will be separate from the CFA or conditioned floor area. The other thing we talked about was how they're going to run supply and returns. Since the crawl space will not be heated, we discussed bringing the tubing in the small attic space that we have up here. The final thing we discussed was how do we accept delivery for Warmboard-R. Warmboard-R is not rated to be wet, so the home needs to be dried in. And so that means that final door on the front here, which has been removed for some adjustments, will need to be in place to ensure a good delivery and that the OSB Warmboard-R panels stay dry. Thing worth discussing why radiant is such a great fit for this project: we've got incredibly high ceilings here. And because of that, in a traditional forced hot air system, you're going to be heating this entire area up here with all of that hot air rising before it gets comfortable down where your occupants are. With radiant, you've got that pure infrared heat energy coming straight up out of the floor and bringing that comfort directly where you live, instead of paying energy costs to heat areas that you don't even occupy. So it's a great benefit for a project like this to be going with Warmboard and having that level of comfort. To learn more about bringing Warmboard and Warmboard Comfort System to your build, please reach out to us at warmboard.com.